Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best custom photo paint is probably one of the most relaxing and rewarding creative activities you can do at home. Transforming your favorite photos into personalized paint-by-number masterpieces is easier than you think, offering a unique and fulfilling experience that combines the joy of painting with the sentimental value of cherished memories. In this video, we'll explore the process of creating your own custom photo paint-by-number kit and share some tips for achieving stunning results. Number 5. Texture of Dreams Paint Kit. Transform your cherished photos into a unique work of art. It's easy, fun, and perfect for unleashing your inner artist. This kit lets you paint with your own memories. Simply upload your favorite picture and we'll do the rest. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the numbered paints and blocks make it simple to follow along. Anyone can create a stunning piece. Match the numbered paints to the corresponding areas on the canvas. Take your time, and soon you'll have a beautiful painting to display. It arrives ready to paint, and ready to hang once you're finished. It makes a wonderful gift for any occasion. Each kit is carefully inspected and packaged to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like? This one comes with a frame, ready to hang once you finish. It's also designed for ease of use, perfect for beginners. If you value convenience and quality, and want to support American-made products, this is the kit for you. What people say. The paints were rich in pigment, making it easy to achieve smooth coverage without layering. The canvas was thick and durable, holding up well even after hours of painting. The kit came with a step-by-step guide that made the process simple and enjoyable. I love that the paints were numbered to correspond with the canvas. It was practically foolproof. I was so impressed with how the photo I submitted was turned into a detailed and accurate canvas. The materials were professional grade, and the colors were rich and true to life. Number 4. VATO DIY Paint by Numbers. Transform your cherished photo into a unique paint by numbers masterpiece. It's a fun and relaxing way to create personalized art. Experience the joy of painting with our premium acrylic paints and textured canvas. They're designed for smooth coverage and vibrant colors. Clear numbers and pre-printed design make it simple for anyone to create a stunning work of art, regardless of skill level. Choose the option that best suits your style. A beautiful wooden frame is available for a polished finish, or enjoy it frameless. Looking for a truly unique and thoughtful present? This personalized paint by numbers kit is sure to impress. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Order your custom paint by numbers kit and start creating a beautiful piece of art that reflects your personal style and memories. What we like? It boasts superior paints for vibrant colors and excellent coverage. The bigger canvas size offers a more immersive painting experience. If you prioritize paint quality and a large canvas to work with, this is a great option. What people say. Details. The details that translated magnificently from photograph to painting, such as a dimple in someone's cheek, the eyeglasses worn by someone else, the distinct cheekbones on another person. Each family member is 100% recognizable in the painting. The colors are spot on, except the eyes, more to follow, and the details are great. Lines and numbers are printed clearly. The paint itself is nice and thick and covered well. Also, nice to have the faint coloring on canvas, and they also gave a numbered copy so you don't need a before pic to follow. The numbers were easy to read but sometimes were over the line, so the sheet came in handy when you are forced to paint over half the number. Number 3. VATO Custom Paint by Numbers. Turn your cherished photos into personalized paint by number kits. It's a unique way to relive your favorite moments and create lasting memories. Looking for a unique and heartfelt gift? This personalized paint by number kit makes a truly special present. It shows you care with a personal touch. We use premium acrylic paints for excellent coverage and a pre-printed textured canvas with clear numbers for easy painting. It makes the process simple and enjoyable. Our expert design team enhances your photo before creating your custom kit, ensuring a stunning result. We'll make your image look its best. With over 37,000 designs created, we offer unlimited design options to our customers. You can transform any of your favorite photos into a beautiful piece of art. The clear numbers and high-quality canvas make it easy for anyone to create a beautiful painting. regardless of their skill level. It's a fun and relaxing activity for all. What we like. This option provides high-quality paints and comes framed, offering a polished look. The professional design team ensures your photo is optimized for the best results. If you want a professional-looking, framed piece, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit did take a bit of time to arrive, but I knew that at the time of ordering it. It comes with the usual 3 brushes, hangers and very short directions. Then, it comes with an extra print out of the original photo and, I really appreciate this, a true-to-painting size printout of the paint-by-number format with the numbers in each section. So, I can always glance at this when needed. Which it wasn't because the canvas is very clearly printed, something which isn't always the case. Not only that, but they lightly color the canvas so you have an impression of what colors go where and what it will look like when finished. The transition from photo to canvas was very well done as well. I was surprised. It does have the painting appearance, obviously, and that's the point, but it is no problem to recognize the photo. And they allowed for quite a few different colors of paint, more than usually come in a paint by number. I was surprised by that again. The colors look like the photo and the quality is pretty spot on. Number 2. CleverFine Custom Paint by Numbers. Transform your cherished memories into personalized paint by number kits. It's a unique and engaging way to express your creativity. Simply upload your favorite photo, and we'll create a custom paint by numbers kit just for you. Watch your image come to life with every brushstroke. It features pre-printed canvas and vibrant, high-quality acrylic paints, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable painting experience. Looking for a thoughtful and unique gift? This personalized kit makes a memorable present for any occasion, bringing joy to both the giver and the receiver. Whether you're a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, it's easy to follow and perfect for relaxing and unwinding. Enjoy the therapeutic process of creating your own masterpiece. The kit comes with a 12x16, 30 cm x 40 cm canvas, providing ample space to showcase your artistic skills. Note that the frame is not included. What we like. This is a budget-friendly choice that still allows you to create a personalized masterpiece. It doesn't include a frame, giving you flexibility in how you display it. If you're on a budget and want a customizable option, this is perfect. What people say. The paint is a little thick, but some water goes a long way. The design is so cute and looks just like the picture. It's a really fun and relaxing thing for us to work on. It also came on some pretty sturdy canvas. Looks just like the pic I sent in. You get a canvas one to paint and paper one. Frame is wood, looks sturdy. I like the texture of the canvas, smooth but not too smooth, and the way the sections are shaded, so it's easier to tell where one ends and the next begins. Also, the paints seem fresher than in many ready-made kits, probably because for a custom kit they have to be made to order. My kit came with 40 different colors. Minor but much appreciated, the canvas came rolled rather than folded. I like not having to iron out wrinkles. Number 1. SIYDCF Paint by Number Kit. It's easy to create a unique piece of art. Simply upload your favorite photo and let us transform it into a paint by number kit. This kit has everything you need to get started: canvas, brushes, paints, and even hanging hardware. It's ready to use right out of the box. We use a high-quality canvas and non-toxic paints, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable painting experience for all skill levels. It makes a wonderful personalized gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's also a great way to relax and unwind. Give the gift of creativity and self-expression. It's a fun and engaging activity for both adults and children, perfect for improving focus and patience. Upload your special photo and watch it transform into a beautiful, personalized paint by numbers masterpiece. It's a unique way to cherish your memories. What we like. It includes everything you need to get started, making it incredibly convenient. The design is simple and easy to follow, ideal for beginners. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-use kit that makes a thoughtful gift, this is a great choice. What people say. Canvas came secured to wooden frame. From the speed of shipping, careful packaging, quality canvas, paint and brush quality, number of paints, accuracy of colors, 10/10. The colors provided were very accurate. Numbers were easy to follow. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.